I filmed several videos today, but one of them is how I do my eyebrows. I'm having a good eyebrow day, so I'm glad I did it. I did just like wax them and tweeze them, but yeah. I use the Anastasia Dip Brow in Ash Brown. And then I have this little eyebrow palette thingy by Flower. It's the Complete Brow Kit. I've had this for multiple years. Don't even know if they still make it. Probably shouldn't be using it, but it's okay, it's fine. I do want to fill them in purple though to match my hair. I think that'd be fun. What do y'all think? But yeah, here's how I do my eyebrows.
Alright, so I am showing you what my eyebrows look like before I do anything to them. And before I start, I like to clip my hair out of my face. And I'm using the Anastasia Dip Brow in Ash Brown. And this is a Morphe M165 brush. It's like their angled brush. And I just take some product and I kind of start on the bottom and try to line where I want my shape to go. And then once I'm pretty happy with that, I'll dip back in and then I will go in and start on the top, kind of like creating that shape of the brow, and then I'll do like this angry brow to like get the arch, because not a lot of people know, but your arch actually comes from the top of the brow. But yeah, and then I'll kind of like go back over, make sure all the lines are nice and crisp, and feather the product in so there's no like clumps or anything. And yeah, so there's the before and after with just the pomade. So then I do the same thing on the other side. I go and make like a sharp line on the bottom and taper it to like the tail of the brow. And then I dip back in and I do the top line on this side. Doing the angry brows again to make like that arch. And then once I get the shape overall, I'll go in with this Flower palette that I have and this light shade, and I'll take that and kind of like smudge the front so that it kind of softens the lines so there aren't any harsh lines, kind of like tapering it, I guess. Not like the, you know, ombre brows, but just to make it like a little softer. And then I like to take this dark shade. You can tell I like it because I've hit the pan on it. And I like to take it and just kind of add a little bit of depth to like the middle and like the tail of the brow. And also using the powder kind of sets it a little bit. And I do the same to the other side, just a little bit. I just kind of take the brush and just stroke a little bit of product through it so that it's like, I don't know, blended. And after that, I take this Tarte Shape Tape Concealer and a concealer brush, and I go directly under the brow and line it. I know it's like really light and it doesn't look like it blends, but when I do really colorful looks, I do my eye makeup first so that it doesn't get on the foundation. So I only do my eyebrows first when I'm doing stuff like this. I usually do it after foundation, so it doesn't usually look this crazy. But in this instance, I just happen to be like doing my brows first. But yeah, I usually do them after my foundation, but yeah. So I take the concealer and kind of blend it a little bit, and then once I take my foundation, it blends into the skin better. It does not look this crazy. And then the other side, I just follow like the underneath of the brow, and like this helps get it a really sharp, cleaned up look. And yeah. And once you get your foundation on, you can go back in with the powder and like adjust if you know, smudge your eyebrows or anything after foundation. But yeah, there they are so far.
Alright, so that's how I do my eyebrows. I don't know if I mentioned it, but like my biggest advice is to keep them waxed and plucked regularly. I don't know, I get a lot of hairs that grow like right here, and that's what bothers me the most, and that keeps like my arch from being like pretty, because when my natural eyebrows, they are not shaped like this. When they grow in, they look like an obtuse triangle. Like, it ain't cute. Anyway, yeah, so that was how I do my eyebrows. If you like this video, leave a like. I am going to be uploading pretty regularly from now on. I've been working really hard on growing this channel. Yeah, thank you for watching. I'll catch you in the next one.